G'day everyone, today you're going to crush cubics in two different ways. You can apply these strategies to all polynomials as well. Let's get into it. Method 1 will be using long division, so check out our videos on these. We've put links in the description. You need to find a factor, so try subbing in values of x and see if it gives you 0. Tip: try using factors of the constant. Start with 1. Oh, it equals 0. How convenient. Just know that it won't be this easy every time. So x equals 1 is a 0, giving x take 1 equals 0. So x take 1 is a factor. Now for some long division. We'll use synthetic division because it's super quick. So now you can write your equation as x take 1 by x squared take x take 12 equals 0, which is x take 1 by x take 4 by x plus 3 equals 0. So x equals -3, 1, or 4. Method 2 doesn't use long division, but a bit of clever algebra. Some people don't like long division, and that's fine, and there will just be times where a different strategy is useful. Since you know that a factor is x take 1, you know that another factor is quadratic, because that's how you get a cubic, linear times quadratic. Now the first term of the quadratic is x squared, because x times x squared gives you x cubed. There's no other way. Now looking at the constant, the only way to get a constant is -1 times c, and it must equal +12. So c must be -12. To find b, you can use the x squared term or the x term. Doesn't matter. Let's use x squared. The only way to get x squared is by multiplying these two and these two. So bx squared take x squared must equal -2x squared. This means that b must equal -1. Now you got the same as what you did in method 1. Let us know which one's your favorite. If you found this useful, please give us a like and subscribe for more strategies and solutions like this.